Hey everyone, it's Janice here, and I gotta tell you, Affiliate Advertising Club is on fire. It has just blown up, and literally, like, the website practically blew up this morning. There were so many people trying to purchase their ad packs. It was just nuts. But anyway, I was able to get in. I purchased my ad packs within the first 10 minutes. I had to refresh the page several times, as did everybody else. But my packs are purchased. A lot of people's packs are purchased. Some people may not even have tried yet. It's hard to say. But I want to show you. I'll show you. So as you all know, we make money through the ARP, the Ad Rewards Program. It took a while for the internal system. It took a while for it to catch up to all the people who are trying to purchase ad packs at the same time. And so I just went off, did some carpenter work for a few hours, and when I came back, this is what I saw. Well, first, before I go there, let me show you this. We now have over 20,000 registered members. That's insane, you guys. I think it's insane. I think it's crazy. So this is what I saw. I came back from making stuff with wood, and this is what I saw. I had $41 in affiliate commissions and $200 in ARP earnings. Guys, I'm no Joshua Elder or Crypto Jamie. I don't have that kind of a following. But anyway, it looks like 4 people trust me. And that's awesome. But anyway, I have doubled my purchase value already, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. I'm freaking stoked. A friend of mine, I helped her get into this and sent her a screenshot while she's at work, and I said, this ought to make you smile, and she's like, like she's never done anything like this before, and she's just like blown away. So anyway, start making a list of your dreams and things you'd like to do, and then come on board and join this. And guys, this thing could grow exponentially. We've got 20,000 members, but there's a few billion people in the world. So let me read you a note that Clay said, that Clay wrote this morning. Poor guy, he's just been working so hard. He says, it did not go smoothly, but it was still a mega success, and that's true. It actually went better than I thought it would. I promise I'll do a better update tomorrow, but right now I'm totally exhausted. I need some shut-eye. The instant we enabled purchases, everyone got error 500s. Too many connections is what that means. Even with a beefy server with 24 2.66 gigahertz CPUs, you all tried to let the smoke out of those chips, and you almost did. Actually, the server came back to life about 15 to 20 minutes into it, but then the pending queue that my developer coded to try and relieve the server and prevent the MySQL database from being corrupted went into convulsions and shut down. It's quite a great visual. I've just imagined a server just going, you know. And yes, it crashed, he said. What does that mean? It means that more than 220,000 positions bound for the ARP never made it. They got stuck in the queue until my developer finally found the culprit code around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I guess that's daylight, which was 3 a.m. for me, but then me, Clay. By then, yes, more positions entered the queue. Long story short, the next 3 hours or so, we will all see tens of thousands more positions entering the ARP pool, which will cause cycling and then more going in from the auto repurchases. Many of you have already seen some of the big numbers. Joshua Elder with 41,000 in commissions. That's 1,000 times more commissions than I've made, like exactly. In commissions in 4 hours. Myself with 40,000 in just under 7 hours. Scott Morris, who won the Race to Diamond contest for $7,500 cash in a record-breaking 15 minutes after launch. I may be wrong, but I don't think that has ever been done before in 15 minutes. A lot of money will continue to be made by AAC members as we continue to grow. How much will we grow? Some say 400,000 club members, some say 500,000 club members plus. And let's not forget about the lead snatching advertising products. Almost 8 million ad impressions served in the first 4 hours. Seriously. This is tracked real time on the AAC homepage, and a whopping 153,000 clicks on members' ads, also in only the first 4 hours. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for helping me make this a launch of a lifetime that people will be talking about for years to come. Good night. It's after 6 a.m. here in Philippines now. For now, watch my next update in about 12 hours. So that was 5 hours ago. So we can expect another update early in the morning Eastern time. So guys, that's how it went. And it's phenomenal, you guys. This is gonna change lives. It could change my life. It already has. Look how happy I am. And but a lot of people are still confused about banner ads. So I just wanted to show you quickly. I'm not going to go through the whole making banners tutorial because I made a video last night. So make sure you go to my YouTube channel that you're already watching this from. And 2 videos ago, I did a how to create banner ads for Affiliate Advertising Club video, okay? Just go there, it looks like this, and the banner ad says create banner ads like this for free. And I did a mock-up one of Affiliate Advertising Club. So you're going to follow that tutorial, and then you're going to follow it, and you're going to upload your banner ad to a site called Imgur here. Just create a free account. It's free, and you can upload a lot of photos to here. And now, why are we doing that? Because in Affiliate Advertising Club, let's go to advertising. I'm just going to go to my banner ads, and it says I have 300 credits available, and this is where you're going to upload your banner. Okay, so right here beside banner URL, you need to put a URL. So your image has to live somewhere other than your computer. Okay, so that's why you would upload it to a place like Imgur. I'm not really aware of any other image hosting sites, but you'll upload it here by clicking on Add Images. You'll upload it, and then you'll click on your banner ad, and you're going to use this link that says Direct Link. None of these other ones, okay? I don't even know what half of those are for. But click Copy, go back to Affiliate Advertising Club, and make sure that you backspace out of that HTTPS. Paste your banner ad image, get your affiliate link, or it could be a YouTube video, it could be a website, whatever. It doesn't have to be an affiliate link. Maybe you've got your own website and you just want to collect emails or get traffic. So get your website URL. So I'm just going to choose this one, even though it doesn't match my ad. I'm going to copy that, paste it into the website URL. Make sure it says https:////. That's my affiliate link, and I'm just going to put in here 10. Okay, 10 ad credits will get me 150 impressions. What does that mean? It means my ad is going to show up on the page 150 times, and then hopefully people will click on it. And if they click on it, hopefully you'll get a sign up. Okay, maybe they won't buy, but maybe they'll sign up to your newsletter, or you could at least get them on your list. So you can preview your ad by clicking on preview. So this isn't actually putting my ad on the platform yet. It's just testing it. And there's my banner that I made. And then you would just click the add button. And I'm not going to. Why would I advertise Affiliate Advertising Club on here? That would not be that bright, okay? So that is how you add your banner ads. And the same thing will go, I'm just gonna go back because I'll just delete that because I don't want to accidentally, actually, that would be really confusing, have an AAC banner ad with a got backup link added to it. That would be really weird. So if you go to my text ads, you're going to put in a subject line, like just look over here, double your dollars, spend a buck, earn a buck, more bang for your buck, blah, 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 click here now. So you put your subject line, 3 lines of text, your affiliate link or website URL, your YouTube link, whatever, assign some credits. And with text ads, you get 25 text ad impressions as opposed to 15 impressions for banner ads. Okay? And that's how you buy traffic, guys. Login ads, I believe you just literally add your, give it a name, add your URL. So let's just do that here. I'll put in that got backup URL. I'll click preview. Click here to check your website in a frame. And if this is called a frame breaker test, you guys, if it doesn't meet this test, it won't actually show your website. So anyway, it worked. It's in this frame down here. That's what you want to happen. So that's great. It worked. So we can go back here. I'm actually not sending that. And so on. It gets super simple, you guys. So I'm just going to delete that and go back to my member home. And it's that simple, guys. So what do you do now? Make sure that every day you click on 2 text ads, 2 banner ads. You'll get a point for each, that's 4, and you get 1 for logging in. And then once a week, you have to click on not just one solo ad, you have to click on solo ads until you find a special activation link or something like that. And if you're not sure, like this is a text ad, this is a banner ad, this is a banner ad. Okay, so you need to click on a text ad, a banner ad, and a banner ad. And just click on ones that look remotely interesting to you. Like, don't just go click, 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 because besides, you're going to be forced to look at it anyway because there's a timer on them. The other thing is, so do that so that you stay, so that people don't leapfrog over you in the ARP, And if you're not sure what the ARP looks like it actually looks like, basically looks like this, except for these are all my purchases, but it would be yours and someone else's and someone else's and someone else's, or you would go to this video here to see how the global matrix works, where I go through exactly how it works, okay? And what makes your ad pack value double and why and all of that stuff. So I go all through that in here, okay? And so make sure you do all the clicking. If you don't have something to promote, don't worry about it. Just pay attention, follow the strategy. The strategy is here on my website called recessionproofzone.com. I've got the strategy all, this is actually an image. It's all written out here. And if you're not sure, if for some reason it doesn't make sense, then go back to my videos where I explain it. Do I explain it? I do explain it in this video. And also you can download a PDF here on Recession Proof Zone, right here, the Getting Started PDF. And I've pasted Clay's notes on exactly how things work. So I've got my own visual, because some people are visual, and then there's also the written out stuff, if that helps to make things make sense for you a little bit better. Okay. If you want to track your links, you can use Bitly. There's a lot of other tracking softwares, free tracking softwares. I am going to track mine. I want to know where my traffic comes from. So I want to know how many clicks exactly my ads are getting on inside of Affiliate Advertising Club. I'm not sure if it actually tracks them or not. I haven't seen anybody else's videos about it. So anyway, guys, I think that's all I wanted to talk about. I really am trying to keep it brief. Make sure that you have auto repurchase clicked on until your purchase value has doubled however many times, 4 or 5 times. Then turn it off, wait for it to double again. It's all explained in here. It's all explained here, okay? Let it double again and withdraw twice what your deposit was, twice what your purchase value was, then repurchase with the remainder with what's left, and turn back on auto repurchase. And you don't have to turn it off after that. It's just, and then every time your purchase value doubles, every time this 6,400 doubles to 1,200 and 12,800, this is an example, right? Then withdraw half of it and put in the other half and keep buying ad packs. And this is how you can make a steady monthly income. Anyway, guys, that's it for this quick update. Is it quick? How quick is this? I don't know how quick it is. Anyway, it's long enough. I'm gonna let you go for the night. I'm tired. I got up early this morning, and I've been playing carpenter for my friend. So yeah, I want to get this video up, and then I will see you in another video. The next time I see my ARP double, I'll give you another quick update. And if there's anything that you want to know, make sure that you write in the comments. And also please click the like button for my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. You know, I was off for a while and I'm back now. And of course, this program has really helped me feel motivated. Okay. And I hope it helps motivate your dreams as well. Okay, guys, so I'll let you go. It's Janice, Nomad Jan, over and out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.